Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report for Justin in North Carolina on this Longhorn by Ranger Superior N6. Justin got it ready to go for you, bud. All modded out, ready to rock and roll. We'll start with our power all the way down, 500 watt slug, 25 watts all the way down. Now we have full adjustability if you decide to run it into a big hammer. 125 all the way up in case you want to drop a big maul audio. Here's your average power swing. Hello, audio 1, 2, 3, audio. 300 bird. 1000 watt slug and peak. Hello, audio. About 780, 785. Alright, Justin, it's ready to come to you, bud. I appreciate it. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum, bum.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized. Get wise and get Truckerized today.